I like to keep in touch with clients. I spoke with one who's doing like, making a few millions a year in one of the niches. And one of the new insight that he's going to start testing is actually, how, and this is something I'm going to test. Next month, I'm actually going to launch an offer in one of the niches myself. Because with Track Cook, the new version that's about to release, crazy. But what he's now positioning is all the AI agents, he's installing them and then charging management or almost, I mean, I'll show you guys how the offer he's structuring it or how he's, I'll read it because I forgot. So normally he would charge 15K, sometimes, 50% upfront, 50% later after 8 weeks or 90 days. And then he would put them on like a 13K a month, like retainer or like $500 a month for 12 months. And right now he's essentially moving to renting a team of agents on an annual slash biannual billing. So what that means is, you know how you guys are essentially like implementing these systems, these agents, you instead of just doing the agent that does the setting, you're like, hey, I'm gonna come in, build you a team of AI agents and just pay I think how much is he charging? $1,300 a month. But the key thing here is he's charging either 6 months upfront or the full 12 months upfront. And the reason why this is an attractive thing is because unlike a typical agency that does, let's say, ads, performance and inputs vary because humans are not that good at being consistent, right? But when it comes to like building agents that you plug into someone's business and then they rent, think about creative, think about the booking, think about this other one that I just that I'm going to show you. Saw this ad. It was actually from another client he sent, shared this with me. This guy is essentially they're in going after practices. So he's selling an agent that does the application for insurance.
Get the next clip.
I have been a customer of Clear for a year and a half now. We started back with them when they first launched in Canada. I can say without a doubt that it has been one of the most impactful additions to our office. The ability to have an AI agent call insurance companies, sit on hold, deal with the actual conversations with the agent, it has easily opened up 35 to 40 hours as far as freed up admin time. We are now able to be more patient focused and patient centered. So if you're thinking about implementing AI in your dental practice, I highly recommend that you look at Clear. You won't regret it.
If insurance is also a nightmare for your practice, click down to the link below. You can try Clear for free and see how much time it saves you.
The idea here is every single service process in a business is now an opportunity that you can solve with agents and rent them. And if you come in and say, hey, it's $1,300 a month, as low as $1,300 a month, but when they get on a sales call, you're like, hey, it's minimum 6 months upfront or 12 months. On the 12 months, you give them a 2,000, 2.5K discount. I can see how that would be attractive, especially since it's recurring. Could be really nice. I'm gonna most likely test this offer and let you guys know the experience that we have, but it's